So we start with Sefer Chofetz Chaim, and topic today is listening to the Hilus. And it says in a group setting. From the wording of the verse regarding from the wording of the verse, which requires a Jew to reprove his fellow when he sins, as it says by Ikra 19:17, the sages derive that one must do so without embarrassing the sinner. Okay, you have to stop him, but with the manners, right? Thus, when manners meaning without embarrassing him, if it's possible. Thus, when a person is relating gossip in the company of others, it is preferable that the listener tactfully change the subject and later rebuke the speaker privately. So don't just change the subject and expect that the other person will get the message. So most people would never get the message, just so you know, right, from a life experience. Okay, but so you must rebuke him later on privately. One may openly protest gossip mongering in a way that causes the speaker discomfort, only if there is no other way to bring the monologue to the end. Okay, so if he's not getting the message, he's trying to stay on that topic. So yeah, so then you just push it back. Okay, so we start.